central Franklin County, southwestern St. Charles County, southeastern Warren County, until 11 p.m. At 10:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marthasville, or 6 miles east of New Haven, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Washington, New Haven, Marthasville, Innsbrook, New Melle, Augusta, Dutzo, Trelor, Forrestal, and Holstein. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail.